When most people hear the word matrix, they picture a table filled with numbers, rows, columns, endless calculations. It doesn't exactly sound exciting. But what if I told you that every matrix is actually a machine? Not a physical machine made of metal and gears, but a mathematical machine that changes the shape of space itself. Every time a video game rotates a character, every time a robot reaches for an object, every time a drone recognizes a person, matrices are quietly doing the work behind the scenes. By the end of this video, you'll stop thinking of matrices as collections of numbers and start seeing them as one of the most powerful ideas in mathematics. Let's begin. A matrix is simply a rectangular arrangement of numbers. At first glance, it looks ordinary, but those numbers are actually instructions. Think of a matrix as a control panel. Instead of telling a machine how to move gears, it tells space how to move. Every point on a graph follows those instructions. The result, the entire world around those points changes. Rather than moving individual objects one at a time, the matrix transforms the entire coordinate system in a single operation. That's why mathematicians often describe a matrix as a linear transformation. It transforms space itself. Let's look at the four most common transformations. Stretch. Stretching changes size. Imagine taking a photograph and enlarging it. The image becomes bigger, but its overall shape stays the same. A scaling matrix stretches or shrinks every point by a certain amount. Computer graphics. Use this constantly whenever objects are resized. Now imagine spinning that same picture. Nothing stretches, nothing bends, only the direction changes. That's exactly what a rotation matrix does. Whether it's a satellite turning in space or a racing game steering around a corner, rotation matrices make smooth movement possible. Shearing or slant. This transformation is less familiar. Instead of stretching equally, shearing slides one side while keeping the opposite side fixed. Architects, animators, and image processing software all make use of this transformation. Finally, reflection flips everything across an axis. Your left hand becomes your right hand. Letters appear reversed. It's exactly what happens when you look in a mirror. Even though the object changes orientation, every point still follows precise mathematical rules. Here's where matrices become truly powerful. Suppose you want to rotate an object, then enlarge it, then flip it. You could perform those three operations separately. Or you can use superpower of matrix multiplication. You could multiply the matrices together first. The result is one new matrix that performs every transformation in a single step. Instead of solving several problems, the computer solves just one. This is why matrix multiplication is so important. You're not simply multiplying numbers, you're combining transformations into one efficient mathematical machine. This idea saves enormous amounts of computation in computer graphics, robotics, engineering, and artificial intelligence. Let's see how this works in the real world. Imagine a search and rescue drone named Rex flying above a forest looking for a missing hiker. Every second, its cameras capture thousands of pixels. Those images must be analyzed almost instantly. The first matrix processes the incoming image to highlight useful features, helping the drone detect edges, shapes, or temperature patterns. Next, another matrix standardizes the data so lighting condition or camera differences don't confuse the system. Then, the processed information is sent into an AI model. Inside that model, a weight matrix combines all the visual information and produces a confidence score. For example, the system might calculate a probability of 0.94, meaning there's a very high chance a human or missing hiker has been detected. Finally, another transformation matrix adjusts the drone's orientation. The camera rotates, the gimbal locks onto the target, the drone begins tracking the person or missing hiker automatically. Although many modern AI systems involve additional operations beyond simple matrix multiplication, matrices remain one of the fundamental mathematical tools used throughout image processing, machine learning, and robotic control. All of these calculations happen in fractions of a second. Without matrices, this speed simply wouldn't be possible. Every transformation has a hidden clue called the determinant. The determinant tells us how a matrix changes area, or in 3 dimensions, volume. If the determinant is greater than 1, space expands. If it's between 0 and 1, space shrinks. A negative determinant means the transformation includes a reflection, but the most dangerous value is 0. When the determinant equals 0, an entire dimension disappears. A square collapses into a line. A cube collapses into a flat surface. Once that information is lost, it cannot be recovered. That's why matrices with a determinant of 0 cannot be reversed. Today we've seen that matrices are much more than tables of numbers. They stretch, rotate, share, reflect. They combine multiple transformations into one efficient operation, and they power technologies ranging from computer graphics to robotics and artificial intelligence. In the next video, we'll explore more fascinating conceptual ideas. If you found this visual approach to learning mathematics helpful, consider subscribing so you don't miss future lessons. See you in the next one.